Hello friends, this video is about how to add animation in Canva. Open a blank video page, click on elements in the search box, search for bouquet, click on videos. Let's select this video. Right click and set video as background. Now click on elements again. In the search box, search for ice cream strawberry. Click on photos. Let's select this one. Click on BG remover to remove its background. Reduce this size from all sides. Increase its size from this corner. Let's place it here and rotate it slightly like this. Now click on text, add heading. So let's add this heading. Now click on font. Select Abril fat face font. Now place this text here. Click on color. Select white color. Click on effects. Click on outline. Pick this color. Reduce thickness. Duplicate this text and change it to this text. Place it below this from right side. Now click on layer. Bring to front. Click on animate. Select baseline. Reduce its speed. Click on both. Apply. Now select this text. Click on baseline. Click on both. Select left direction. Reduce speed. Select reverse exit animation. Now select this text. Select baseline. Click on both. Reduce speed and direction left. Select reverse exit animation. Now it's applied on all these three objects. Now reduce its timing from here. Now reduce this text timing from here. When you play, it will work like this. I hope it's clear to you. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.